Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks awesome. You got that bug deflector up front with the chrome accenting on your grille. You do also have your lights right there, and they are very bright. Coming around the side here, we do have our tires. They look awesome. You do also have 17-inch rims on them. They look great. You do have your mirrors hanging out right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you have your 6-foot box back here. Chrome bumper as well. You got your 4x4 badging in the Ram. You can open this guy up right here, and it does let down nice and slow, nothing slamming. Looks awesome back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and there is tons of room. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, all hanging out right here. Got your handle and some storage down here. Looks awesome in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable as well. You do have the controls over the lights right here, so your auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as in-cabin light control here. And up here we do have the control over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center does also tell us how many kilometers we have, as well as our temperature outside. And we can switch it around to our vehicle info, our fuel economy, trip A and B. We also have our messages, screen setup, settings, and we can turn the menu off as well. Now that it is controlled from right here with your horn in the center and cruise control options right there, and your gear shift is right there. In the center we do have our radio, so we do have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as our media tab. Presets down here, info, ABC, volume up and down with your power, your skips, as well as your mute, audio, menu, back button, tuner and browser over there. And then down here we got the control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And we also have our climate control over here, so the power up and down with the circulation, temperature and AC, and then the mode with the defrosts there. You also have your traction control and your tow and haul mode, and some storage just in there. You also have your cup holders here with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You have your coin holders right there, and your aux cord and USB plug-in right over there. You can also lift this guy up, and you do have another seat underneath there, so it does seat 6 people altogether. You do have your top and bottom layers for your glove boxes as well, with your owner's manual inside of it. Looking great. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have your handle, control of your windows, and another handle. It looks fantastic back here. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. You can lift this guy up, and you do have some storage just underneath there, as well. You do have your cup holders right there. There's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2015 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.